Today I'm showing you how to change Ford Fiesta mk7 and mk8 wiper blades. So this covers the wiper blades on all Fiestas from 2011 onwards. And top tip, although the way that the blades fit to the arms is the same on the mk7 and the mk8, the lengths of the blades on the passenger and driver side are different between mk7 and mk8. So obviously make sure you get the correct lengths according to your model. No need to put wiper arms in a service position on this car like there is on others. Just lift the arm up. No matter what car you run, before you fit brand new wiper blades, always give your screen a really good clean, either with a bit of kitchen cream like Cif, or with a clay mitt or bar. Get all that diesel grime off. Give that a good rinse. Make sure you get it all off. Give that a few minutes to rinse away and for the screen to dry a little. And follow that up with your favourite glass cleaner. I like Rain-X myself, but my son uses this Easy Car Care Lotus water repelling glass cleaner. It works just like Rain-X does. Makes the water bead up. Make sure to use a really good quality microfiber cloth when you're doing this. A clean, smooth screen helps new wiper blades to run smoothly and make sure that they sweep all of the water off the screen without streaking. To the wiper itself, take hold of the wiper just below where it connects to the arm and press this button in the arm. Whilst holding that button pressed, push up on the arm and retract the wiper blade. With a damp cloth, I always like to give the ends of the wiper arm a bit of a clean. Make sure that any grit and dirt is gone from there, and also the slight dampness in the cloth will also act as a bit of lubricant to put the new one on. I personally find these a little more awkward to put together than other makes, but if you look at the arm, there's a little tag here, and on the blade there's a little channel. Bring the fitment to the arm square such that that tag goes through that channel. Then push the blade back into the arm and down. The little square tag will lock into the square hole in the arm automatically. Repeat that on the other arm, and with a nice clean screen and new blades, you should have smooth running wipers. Job.